Okay, so next up, we are going to modify the user experience of the suggestion box app. Let's go ahead and see what we are going to do. First, we are going to modify the page layout, and then we are going to add a compact layout, and then we are going to add a global action. And what else? Is that it? I think that's it. So 3 things we are going to do. Let's go ahead and dive into our playground over here and go to our setup under the gear icon and go to our object. We are going to play with the suggestion object. Suggestions here, right? So we are going to talk about page layout. So I'm going to click page layout. And first things first, we are going to modify the page layout. All right. So page layout, we are going to modify this particular suggestion layout. And we are going to do what? Let's see. We are going to add the description. And we're going to make it 1 column. Or this is the section. We first are going to add the status and the implemented date under the owner. Okay, let's do that one at a time. I'm going to click here and edit. And then we are going to add the status, drag it under owner, and drag implementation date under owner, and create a new section here. Where do we create that? Go see here. Add a new description section, which is under information. All right. So I don't want to miss that. So I'm going to make sure under information, drag and name it description. Description. We want to make it 1 column and hit OK, and probably drag the description over there, right? Suggestion description and drag it over there. So this particular suggestion description, drag it over there. All right. And I want to quick save. What's the difference between quick save and save? If you hit save, you're gonna get out from this layout. You're going to go back to the page layout list. You want to see? If I hit save, see it go back there. If you quick save, you can still keep editing, all right? But I think we're done there. Next, add a compact layout, all right? The compact layout and its name suggestions, okay? So compact layouts, I'm going to go back here and compact layouts there. We have system defaults. We are going to make a new one. Suggestion. And what fields do we want to bring over? We want to bring over the suggestion name, right? And then the selected category and status. Suggestion name, boom. Selected category, boom. And status, bring it to the right. And hit save there. Okay, we have that created. Now we are going to assign it. And we are going to assign it as a primary compact layout. Go back here. Compact layout assignment. There. We are going to make this primary. Edit assignment. Primary would be suggestion and save. Go back. Done. Next, we are going to add a global action. So what is global action? Global action allows everybody who has access to that object to do an action on all of the pages. All right, on all of the pages. Let's do one so you can see here. So we are going to make a new global action. For example, see here, I'm going to read this for you. For example, if an employee is entering a contact name and thinks of a customer service suggestion, the employee has to do the following to enter a suggestion, right? This is without a global action, but with a global action, they can do it while they're entering on the contact record. They don't have to go to the suggestion object first, because it is global. It's accessible from everywhere, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Go to the setup here and global action by clicking home. You click global here. Oops, wrong typo. Global actions, and make a new one. Did I click on that? I think so. Not yet. A new action. So the target object would be suggestion, right? And then create a record. Let's see what we want to do here. Suggestion and new suggestion. The name is new suggestion. Copy that up, and I'm going to type new suggestion. It's going to be like that. Do we want to feed item? Drag suggestion cat. Oh, this is the layout, so it doesn't say. So that's okay. I'm gonna make this new record as requested. Let's keep it like that, and we can say the success message as new suggestion created. Thank you. Right? I'm gonna hit save. Now we decide what to bring down when we create a new one. Name, category, description, right? Category, description. Okay, let's drag that. Category, boom. Description, boom. What else? And save, right? Predefined value details is status and it's new. Okay, I'm gonna go back here and hit save. Here, predefined field values, new. Field name is status, and the default is new. Okay, save that. So whenever we create a new suggestion, it will be new. Go back there. Now, once we have created the global action, it's created, but it's not sticking on anywhere. So we want to stick it by using the publisher layouts here, right? So go to the publisher layouts, under setup, type publisher layouts on here, and let's see what they want us to do. Select new suggestion action and drag it to the quick action, the publisher layout, and then select publisher layouts and select the new suggestion action and drag it onto the quick actions in the Salesforce Classic Publisher section, in the section after post. So the global layout, we are going to change the global layout here and edit this guy, and we are going to add new suggestion after post, right there. So post here and then new suggestion, okay? And then we are going to hit save. Save. So how does this look? So if I go back here to the suggestion, not there, here, to the suggestion app, and if I want to make a new one, looks better, right? So we have the name, the category, and status. You can choose that, and date, and then the description here. So what about the global action? So global action, if I hit cancel here, you remember from the previous trail, I'm gonna use my developer tools, Google, and then view, and then developer, and then tools, and this is responsive 100%. So if I want to, for example, copy this whole thing here, lightning, and paste it here, so we can see how it looks like on the mobile Salesforce 1. See here at the bottom, we have new suggestion. What is this? This is the global action which we just created. So if I hit that new suggestion, pretty cool, right? So you can see it there, right? So that's the global action. We define these two fields and you can save it from there. So that's pretty much it, and we can verify the step now. I'll see you in the next section where we talk about add a business logic. Whoa, this is exciting. Bada bing, bada boom, boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.